If you ask the general populace what they know about chemistry, about 90% of them might mention the periodic table because it's popular. It's a table. Using it isn't going to change your life, but it is exceptionally handy, and the organization of it is a thing of beauty, really. And you have to use it a lot because chemistry course. So while this is probably the easiest topic we will see all term, let's do the lecture thing and make sure that we're all on the same page. Our periodic table is really just a set of boxes connected in some logical order. Each of these boxes represents an element. You can find super overcomplicated periodic tables that tell you more than you need to know about each element. But there are 3 items that each periodic table has to have. The table you'll have access to come quiz time includes only these 3 items. They're going to be the symbol for the element, the atomic number, which tells us how many protons an atom of this element will have, and the average atomic mass for that element. All of our elements are represented on the table with either 1 or 2 letters. Hydrogen, the element on the left here, is represented by a single H. Helium, the element on the right, is represented by He. H was already taken by hydrogen. None of our elements will have the same symbol. You will not need to memorize the periodic table. If you do enough practice prior to the quiz, you'll have a pretty good idea of where to look for things. The whole numbers at the top of these boxes indicate the atomic number, which tells us how many protons should be in an atom of that particular element. The atomic number is given by the symbol Z. The use of Z might seem random, but it stems from the German word for number, or Zahl. Again, the atomic number is the whole number. Your protons are not divisible, and the atomic number is a count of the number of protons. The atomic number, therefore, cannot be a fraction and cannot have decimal places. All atoms of hydrogen will have 1 proton, and all atoms of helium will have 2 protons. The blocks for the elements are arranged by increasing atomic number on the periodic table. Since all atoms of the same element will have the same number of protons, the atomic number defines the element. If you are talking about an atom of an element, there will be the same number of electrons as the atomic number because atoms are neutral. The third item in every entry is the average atomic mass. For now, know that this is the number with the decimal places because it's based on the actual mass of subatomic particles present in your atom. The average atomic mass is discussed in more detail in section 1.3. Practice locating the average atomic mass and the atomic number for elements on the periodic table. Also, start to get used to pairing the element symbols with the element's name.